Defense Base Act, DBA, Insurance Frequently Asked Questions. Does your company work overseas under a United States government contract? You've probably heard about Defense Base Act insurance, but do you have questions? Common questions about DBA insurance. Who needs it? Does it apply to subcontractors? Is it the same as workers' compensation? What happens if you don't have it? Today's goal: answer the most frequently asked questions about Defense Base Act insurance, presented in simple, easy to understand language. Let's get started. Question 1. What is Defense Base Act insurance? DBA insurance provides workers' compensation type benefits for certain employees working outside the U.S. under government contracts, created to help protect employees while they perform qualifying overseas work. Many federal contracts require this coverage before employees begin overseas. Question 2. Who needs DBA insurance? The answer depends on the contract. Many overseas contractors should review requirements. May include construction and engineering firms, maintenance and security contractors, logistics providers, and utility consulting infrastructure contractors, and many subcontractors. Never assume DBA does or doesn't apply. Review the contract. Question 3. Does DBA insurance apply to subcontractors? Yes, many subcontractors also have Defense Base Act obligations. It's a myth that only the prime contractor needs coverage. Subcontractors should review their agreement and any flow-down provisions. Question 4. Is DBA insurance the same as workers' compensation? Not exactly. Both provide important employee benefits. But DBA insurance is specifically designed for qualifying overseas government contracts. A standard domestic workers' comp policy does not automatically satisfy DBA requirements. Question 5. What types of projects may require DBA insurance? Military-based construction, embassy or infrastructure projects, utility engineering or maintenance contracts, logistics support, airport construction, government-funded overseas development work. Each project must be evaluated individually. Question 6. Does every overseas project require DBA insurance? No, not automatically. DBA depends on several factors: the contract, applicable law, the work being performed. Contract review is crucial. Question 7. What happens if a contractor does not obtain required DBA insurance? Failure may result in significant problems. Potential consequences: contract compliance issues, project delays, unexpected financial exposure, claims complications, potential legal action, difficulty obtaining future contracts. Proper planning helps avoid these situations. Question 8. What is the War Hazards Compensation Act? WHCA is another federal law relevant when qualifying injuries involve war-related hazards. It works alongside the DBA in specific circumstances, does not replace DBA insurance. Understanding both laws is key for effective risk management. Question 9. Who purchases DBA insurance? In many cases, the employer responsible for covered employees buys the policy. Responsibilities may vary by contract and project structure. Both prime contractors and subcontractors must understand obligations before work begins. Question 10. Why is contract review so important? Government contracts often contain detailed insurance requirements. Early review allows you to identify coverage needs, avoid compliance issues, prepare accurate project budgets, coordinate with subcontractors, reduce delays. Planning before mobilization improves success. Common misconceptions. My domestic workers' comp policy is enough. Not necessarily. Only military contractors need DBA. Not always. Subcontractors never need DBA. Incorrect. My project is overseas, so DBA automatically applies. No, contract determines requirements. Best practices for contractors. Review every government contract carefully. Understand insurance requirements before bidding. Coordinate with subcontractors. Ask questions early. Work with professionals familiar with government contracting. Develop a compliance checklist before employees travel overseas. Why understanding DBA matters. Government contracting presents unique opportunities and responsibilities. Understanding DBA helps to protect employees, improve contract compliance, reduce financial risk, avoid project delays, strengthen client confidence. Preparation is one of the best investments you can make. Final thoughts and key reminders. DBA insurance is vital for many overseas contracts. Not all contractors have identical obligations. Contract language matters. Subcontractors may also have responsibilities. War Hazards Compensation Act is separate but related. Review insurance requirements early. Avoid assumptions. Get expert help. Need a second opinion on your insurance program, contract, or risk financing strategy? Schedule a confidential discussion. Visit montridgeinsurance.com. Thank you for joining. If you found this webinar helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with your colleagues. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the next Government Contractor Risk Management webinar.